Hello students, in our today's video we are going to solve one more question of method second where one partner become insolvent. Now our today's question will be question number 1, page number 228 from our BK textbook. First of all, we will read the question. Vidya, Sharmila and Megha are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 5:3:2. Now ratio of three partner is given 5:3:2. It means it is 5/10, 3/10 and 2/10 respectively for all three partners. Their balance sheet as on 31st March 2019 was as under. Now here we have given their balance sheet. Liability side of the balance sheet. Now in liability side of the balance sheet, first of all, we have given partners capital account. Capital account of Vidya, Sharmila and Megha. All three partners will be transferred to their capital account credit side. So here we will write cap CR. Now after capital account, we have given current account balance of Vidya and Sharmila. Now in this case or in this question, both balances of partners are given. Current account balances and capital account balances are given. This means this question is based on fixed कैपिटल मेथड. ये क्वेश्चन कौन सा क्वेश्चन है? फिक्स कैपिटल मेथड के ऊपर क्वेश्चन है. ओके, सो एज एंड व्हेन बोथ balances are given, capital account balances and current account balances are given, we have to open both account. ऐसे सिचुएशन में हमें दोनों अकाउंट प्रिपेयर करने हैं. we have to open partners current account and partners capital account. okay, so current account balances of Vidya and Sharmila will be transferred to their current account credit side. So here we will write current account credit side. Then sundry creditor and bills payable. Now sundry creditors and bills payable are the outsiders liabilities of a business. Okay, and that's why they will be transferred to realization account credit side. So here we will write RCR, realization credit. Okay, now assets. Sundry assets will be transferred to realization account debit side. So here we will write RDR. After sundry assets, bank balance is given. It means we have to open bank account. Okay, so bank balance will be transferred to bank account debit side. Next is current account of Megha. Now current account of Megha will be transferred to current account debit side. Okay, it's a asset balance, so it will be transferred to current DR, current account debit side. Okay, now we will read adjustments, all adjustments one by one. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm on the above date as under. Okay, all three partners have decided to dissolve their business or to close down their business. Okay, first adjustment, sundry assets realize 80% of the book value. Now first adjustment is related with realization of sundry asset. हमने sundry asset को क्या कर दिया है? बेच दिया है. Okay. Adjustment number 2, unrecorded outstanding expenses rupees 8,000 paid off. Now here we have paid unrecorded outstanding expenses. आप क्या कर रहे हो? Unrecorded outstanding expenses को क्या कर रहे हो? पेड कर रहे हो. Okay. So हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया? लाइबिलिटी का पेमेंट किया है जो अनरिकॉर्डेड थी, जिसको हमने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया था. ओके, एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 3, रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस अमाउंटेड टू रुपीज 6,000. वी हैव पेड डिसोल्यूशन एक्सपेंसेस और रियलाइजेशन एक्सपेंसेस रुपीज 3,000. एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 4, सन्ड्री क्रेडिटर्स एंड बिल्स पेएबल were paid rupees 34,000. now our both outsider liability, sundry creditors and bills payable, both are settled or both are paid. Megha become insolvent. मेघा क्या हो गई? इंसॉल्वेंट हो गई है. शी इज इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर, वो कंगाल हो चुकी है. ओके, एंड रुपीज 2,000 were recovered from her private estate. Okay, and because of insolvency of Megha, she has paid only 2,000 rupees to the firm, or firm has recovered rupees 2,000 from the Megha. Megha से कितना रिकवरी हो रहा है इंसॉल्वेंसी की वजह से? खाली 2,000 rupees. Okay, prepare realization account, partners current account, partners capital account and bank account. Now here we have to open 4 ledger account. Okay, this question is based on fixed capital method. Okay, so first of all we will prepare realization account in one page for 20 lines. In second page we will prepare current account and capital account of partner, and in third page we have to prepare balance sheet, and below, sorry, we have to prepare bank account in third page. Okay, and below that we will prepare working note. Okay, so we will start solving this question now. First of all we will do posting of liability side and asset side of the balance sheet. Capital account will be transferred to partners capital account credit side. So in partners capital account credit side, by mistake particulars are not recorded, so यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे particulars. Now we will record balances, capital balances of partner 50, 40, 30. Buy balance brought down. $50,000 for Vidya, 40,000 for Sharmila, and 30,000 for Megha. Okay. Now current account balance will be transferred to partners current account credit side. सॉरी, ये कैपिटल अकाउंट के बैलेंस थे जो बाय मिस्टेक हमने करंट अकाउंट में रिकॉर्ड किए हैं. ओके, हियर वी नीड टू रिकॉर्ड ओनली करंट अकाउंट बैलेंसेस. So capital account balances we will record in partners capital account credit side. So here we will write buy balance brought down. Vidya 50,000, Sharmila 40,000, Megha 30,000. Okay. Then current account Vidya and Sharmila, current account balance will be transferred to partners current account credit side. So here we will write buy balance brought down. Here we have given balances of Vidya and Sharmila only. Vidya 6,000, Sharmila also 6,000. Okay. Right. Now creditors and bills payable both are outside her liability, so it will be recorded in realization account credit side. So here we will write buy sundry liabilities. First is creditors and second is bills payable. Amount of creditors is given 28,000 and bills payable is 10,000. So total will be 38,000. Now we will do posting of asset side. Sundry assets. Sundry asset will be recorded in realization account debit side. Here we will write two sundry assets. Amount is 1,28,000. Next is bank. Bank balance will be transferred to bank account debit side. So here we will write two balance brought down. $16,000. Then current account of Megha will be recorded in Megha's current account debit side. Asset side में दी है. So here we will write two balance brought down. In the column of Megha, we will write 26,000. Okay. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm on the above date as under. Okay, तीनों पार्टनर ने क्या किया है, पार्टनरशिप फर्म को डिसॉल्व किया है, बंद किया है. Sundry assets realize 80% of the book value. Now they have realized, they have sold sundry asset at 80% of the book value. उन्होंने क्या कर दिया, sundry asset को 80% वैल्यू से बेच दिया है. So here we will write buy bank account by bank account. Here we will write, in bracket we will write sundry assets. Sundry assets. Okay. Now how they have sold sundry assets? Value of sundry asset, book value है 1,28,000. Okay. Into 80%, 80% बुक वैल्यू से उन्होंने सन्ड्री एसेट को बेचा है. So it will be 1,02,200. सन्ड्री एसेट को बेच के कितना पैसा आया है? 1,02,400 रुपीज. Now second effect will be transferred to bank account debit side. So in bank account debit side, we'll write to realization account. असेट बेचने के बाद हमें कितना पैसा मिला? 1,02,400 rupees. Okay. Second adjustment. Our second adjustment is unrecorded outstanding expenses rupees 8,000 paid off. Now here we have paid unrecorded outstanding expenses. हमने क्या किया? हमारा जो outstanding expenses था, जो unrecorded था, उसका हमने पेमेंट किया है. So आप खर्चा पे कर रहे हो. Okay. So it will be recorded in realization account debit side. So here we will write to bank account. To bank account. In bracket we will write unrecorded outstanding expenses. Unrecorded outstanding expenses. Amount is 8,000 rupees. हमने कितना पेड किया? 8,000 rupees पेड किया. Now second effect will be recorded in bank account credit side. So in bank account credit side we will write by realization account. ₹8,000. Now adjustment number 3, realization expenses amounted to ₹6,000. We have paid realization expenses 6,000 rupees. Okay. So आप खर्चा पे कर रहे हो. So in realization account debit, once again we will write to bank account. To bank account. In bracket we will write realization expenses. Realization expenses. Amount of realization expenses is 6,000 rupees. Okay. Now second effect will be transferred to bank account credit side. So in bank account credit side we will write by realization account. ₹6,000. Okay. Adjustment number 4, sundry creditors and bills payable were paid ₹34,000. Now here we have paid both of our liabilities. हमने हमारे दोनों liability का पेमेंट किया है. So ये हमारा खर्चा होगा. Okay. And that will be recorded in realization account debit side. Okay. So once again we will write to bank account. Okay. In bracket we will write creditors and bills payable. दोनों लाइबिलिटी आप पे कर रहे हो. अमाउंट इज 34,000. ओके. नाउ सेकेंड इफेक्ट विल ट्रांसफर टू बैंक अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड. Here we will write by realization account. ₹34,000. Okay. Now next adjustment is Megha become insolvent. Megha is an insolvent partner and ₹2,000 were recovered from her private estate. मेघा कंगाल हो चुकी है. ओके. और उसके कारण वो फर्म को कितना पैसा पे कर रही है? ₹2,000. सो फर्म को ₹2,000 मेघा से मिल रहा है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल पास जर्नल एंट्री फॉर कैश रिसीव्ड फ्रॉम मेघा ₹2,000. फर्म को पैसा मिलेगा तो हम डेबिट करेंगे. So here we will write cash bank account debit पैसा आ रहा है, we have opened bank account, so bank account debit, Megha has paid 2000 rupees. Okay, so bank account debit 2000 to Megha's capital account, Megha's capital account 2000. Okay, now we will show that effect of journal entry in our ledger account. Okay, मेघा से पैसा मिल रहा है. Okay, so in bank account debit side, जो अगर पैसा आ रहा है तो बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट में लिखो. Here we will write to, बैंक अकाउंट को डेबिट कर रहे हो, so बैंक अकाउंट के डेबिट में जाना है. To मेघा's capital account, amount is 2000 rupees. Now here we have credited Megha's capital account. Megha's capital account को हमने क्रेडिट किया है. Okay, so in capital account credit side, capital account क्रेडिट में जाके आप क्या लिखोगे? By bank account, by bank account, amount is rupees 2000 in the column of Megha. Megha ने पैसा लिया, so Megha के कॉलम में लिख रहे हैं amount. Okay, now all adjustments are over now. Now first of all we will close realization account. आपको सबसे पहले क्या क्लोज करना है? realization account को क्लोज करना है. Okay, so first of all we will close realization account. Here we will make total of both side of realization account. First of all we will do total of debit side of realization account. Actually total of debit side of realization account is greater. realization की debit side का total ज्यादा है. Okay, so हम realization की debit side का total लिखेंगे. Total of realization account debit side is 1,76,000. Realization debit is 1,76,000. And total of realization account credit side is 1,40,400. Realization credit 1,40,400. Okay, so balance will be 35,600. balance will be 35,600. Okay, रियलाइजेशन की डेबिट साइड का टोटल ज्यादा है, मतलब आपके एक्सपेंसेस एंड लॉसेस ज्यादा है. ओके, इट इज रुपीज 35,600 माइनस टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड. क्रेडिट साइड मतलब इनकम, इनकम हमारा कम है. ओके, एक्सपेंसेस ज्यादा है, सो देयर विल बी लॉस. सो हियर वी विल राइट बाय पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, बाय पार्टनर्स, सॉरी नेक्स्ट अकाउंट इज करंट अकाउंट. सो बाय पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट, रियलाइजेशन का जो भी लॉस है वो आपको कहां ट्रांसफर करना है? पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर करना है. सो हियर वी विल राइट बाय पार्टनर्स करंट अकाउंट, इन ब्रैकेट वी विल राइट रियलाइजेशन लॉस और लॉस ऑन रियलाइजेशन. ओके, नाउ लॉस ऑन रियलाइजेशन विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग 3 पार्टनर. तीनों पार्टनर में आप बांटोगे. विद्या, सेकंड पार्टनर इज शर्मिला, and third partner is Megha. Loss on realization is 35,600. Now ratio of Vidya is 5/10, Sharmila 3/10 and Megha 2/10. Okay, now we will calculate loss of every partner. हर एक पार्टनर को कितना लॉस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है उसका हम कैलकुलेशन करेंगे. 35,600 into 5/100 for Vidya. Okay, so it will be 36,600 into 5/10. by mistake I have written 5 upon 100. It is 5 upon 10. 35,600. We will cancel 1 0. So 3560 into 5. 17,800 for Vidya. Vidya को लॉस रहेगा 17,800. Now second partner is Sharmila. So here we will write ratio of Sharmila is 3 upon 10. Okay. $10,680. And third partner is Megha. Her ratio is 2 upon 10. So here we will write 2. $7,120. So total is 35,600. It's a total loss or loss on realization. Total of realization account is by mistake I have written 35,600. It is 1,76,000. Realization account का total है 1,76,000 rupees. Here also we will write 1,76,000 rupees. Okay, right. Now that loss on realization will be transferred to partner's current account debit side. So in current account debit side we will write to realization account. Vidya 17,800. Sharmila 10,680. Megha 7,120. Okay. Now we will close partner's current account. Now you can see here total of debit side of all three partners is greater than total of credit side. तीनों partner के डेबिट साइड का टोटल क्रेडिट साइड से ज्यादा है. सो वी विल क्लोज डेबिट साइड फर्स्ट. पहले हम डेबिट साइड का टोटल करेंगे. इट इज 17,800 फॉर विद्या, 10,680 फॉर शर्मिला एंड फॉर मेघा 33,120. 33,120. Now we will close partners current account. Current account में जो भी डिफरेंस आएगा क्रेडिट साइड में, it will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay? You can see here तीनों पार्टनर के करंट अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड में डिफरेंस आ रहा है. So here we will write by, it will be transferred to capital account. So by partners capital account. First Vidya 17,800 minus 6,000. It will be 11,200. Okay. Sorry, 11,800. Total is 17,800. 10,680 minus 6,000. It will be 4,680. 4,680. Okay. Total is 10,680. And for Megha 33,120. Total is 33,120. Okay. Now all balances in current account will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay, current account में जो भी डिफरेंस आया है क्रेडिट साइड में वो जाएगा partners capital account के डेबिट में. So here we will write to partners current account. To partners current account. Vidya 11,800. Sharmila 4,680. Megha 33,120. Okay. Now we will close partners capital account. हम क्या करेंगे अब partners capital account को close करेंगे. But we already seen that Megha is a insolvent partner. Megha क्या हो चुकी है? Insolvent हो चुकी है. So first of all, we will close capital account of insolvent partner Megha and we will find out her capital deficiency. Megha insolvent partner है, तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? मेघा की कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी को फाइंड आउट करना है. सो वी विल डू वर्किंग नोट हियर, ओके, फॉर कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ मेघा. सो वर्किंग नोट नंबर 1, कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी of Megha. Okay, first of all we will do total of debit side of Megha's capital account. So total of debit side of Megha's capital account is 33,120. Okay, minus total of credit side of Megha's capital account. Here we will write less total of credit side of Megha's capital account. मेघा के कैपिटल अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड का टोटल था 33,110, सॉरी 33,120, ये ज्यादा है. क्रेडिट साइड का आप टोटल करोगे सो 30,000 प्लस 2,000 32,000. ओके, 32,000 माइनस करो डेबिट साइड के टोटल से, क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल लेस हो जाएगा. सो बैलेंस अमाउंट विल बी 1,120. That will be the capital deficiency or shortage in the account of Megha. मेघा के क्रेडिट कैपिटल अकाउंट के क्रेडिट साइड का जो बैलेंस है वो है 1,120. इट इज कॉल्ड कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ मेघा. So that capital deficiency of Megha rupees 1,120 will be shared or it will be distributed among solvent partner. Solvent partner कौन है? Megha insolvent है, so solvent partner will be Vidya and Sharmila. So we will do working note 2, working note number 2, distribution of capital deficiency of Megha, distribution of capital deficiency of Megha between solvent partner. Who are the solvent partner? Vidya and Sharmila. In their प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. विद्या और शर्मिला का प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो क्या होगा? 5:3, बिकॉज मेघा इज इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर. तो टू को आप क्या करोगे? कैंसिल करोगे. द रेशियो इज गिवन, तीनों पार्टनर का प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो है 5:3:2. टू को काउंट नहीं करना है बिकॉज मेघा हैज बिकम इंसॉल्वेंट. सो रेशियो विल बी 5:3. The ratio is, profit sharing ratio is 5:3. Now we will distribute capital deficiency between solvent partner Vidya and Sharmila. So here we will write Vidya and Sharmila. Capital deficiency is 1,120. Ratio of Vidya is 5/8. And for Sharmila 1,120 into ratio is 3/8. Okay, so 1,120 20 into 5 upon 8, it will be 700 for मेघा, सॉरी विद्या, विद्या ने कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी शेयर की है 700 रुपीज, एंड फॉर शर्मिला 1120 into 3 upon 8, so it will be 420 rupees. Okay, now both solvent partner Vidya and Sharmila has shared capital deficiency rupees 700 and 420. Okay, दोनों पार्टनर ने कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी शेयर की है 700 रुपीज एंड 420. सो इन पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट क्रेडिट साइड मेगा इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर है. ओके, सो डेफिशिएंसी जो भी है मेगा की, जो भी शॉर्टेज है वो हमें कैपिटल अकाउंट के मेगा के क्रेडिट साइड में लिखनी है. So by here we will write first partner who has shared deficiency Vidya. So here we will write by Vidya's capital account. Vidya's capital account 700 and by second partner is Sharmila 420. So by Sharmila's capital account 420. Okay, now we will close capital account of Megha. Total is 33,120. Okay, now we will now second effect of capital deficiency shared by Vidya and Sharmila. Okay, जो कैपिटल डेफिशिएंसी विद्या और शर्मिला ने शेयर की है उसका सेकेंड इफेक्ट हमें लिखना है पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में. ओके, सो इन डेबिट साइड वी विल राइट नेम ऑफ इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर. हु इज इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर? मेघा. सो हियर वी विल राइट मेघास कैपिटल अकाउंट. मेघास कैपिटल अकाउंट, मेघा के लिए विद्या ने कितना लाया? 700. सो इन द कॉलम ऑफ विद्या वी विल राइट 700 रुपीस and Sharmila has brought 420. Okay, so this is how we have to show the effect of capital deficiency shared by solvent partner. Solvent partner ने जो भी capital deficiency shared की उसके हमें दो इफेक्ट देने हैं. एक हमें कहा देना है इंसॉल्वेंट पार्टनर के क्रेडिट साइड में लिखना है और सेकेंड इफेक्ट हमें पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट के डेबिट साइड में लिखने हैं. सॉल्वेंट पार्टनर के कॉलम में अमाउंट हमें लिखनी है. ओके, now we will close partners capital account. Okay, now first partner already we have closed capital account of Megha. Okay, now remaining partners are Vidya and Sharmila. Okay, now you can see here total of credit side of both partner Vidya and Sharmila is greater than total of debit side. So credit side का total हम पहले close करेंगे. For Vidya it is 50,000 and Sharmila 40,000. Okay, now total of credit side of Vidya is 50,000. So 50,000 minus total of debit side of Vidya, it is 12,500. So balance amount will be 37,500. Okay, right. ओके, विद्या के डेबिट साइड का बैलेंस है 37,500 क्योंकि क्रेडिट साइड का टोटल था 50,000, डेबिट साइड का टोटल है 12,500. सो बैलेंस अमाउंट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू बैंक अकाउंट. वी विल राइट हियर टू बैंक अकाउंट. नाउ वी विल क्लोज शर्मिला's कैपिटल अकाउंट. टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड इज 40,000. ओके, सो 40,000 इज टोटल ऑफ क्रेडिट साइड माइनस टोटल ऑफ डेबिट साइड is 5,100. So balance amount will be 34,900. Okay, so here we will write 34,900. 900 दिस अमाउंट विल बी ट्रांसफर टू बैंक अकाउंट. ये भी अमाउंट कहाँ जाएगा? बैंक अकाउंट में जाएगा. ओके. Now we will close debit side of Vidya's capital account. Total is 50,000. Sharmila 40,000. Now second effect of balance amount in capital account of both Vidya and Sharmila will be transferred to bank account credit side. Okay, ये अमाउंट कहाँ ट्रांसफर होगी? दोनों के कैपिटल अकाउंट का जो भी बैलेंस हो जाएगा बैंक अकाउंट के क्रेडिट में. So here we will write by Vidya's capital account $37,500 and Sharmila's capital account $34,900. Okay. Now we will close bank account. Total of bank account is 1,20,400. 1,20,400, right? Now we will close credit side of bank account. $1,20,400. Okay. So here our bank account is tallied. Both balances, debit side total and credit side total of bank account is tallied. Okay. Both total are equal here. It means our solution is right. Solution is perfect. Okay. So students, today we have solved one question of second method in which one partner become insolvent. Okay. This question is based on fixed capital method where we have given both balances of capital account and current account. So student, once again thank you so much for watching my video.